But the ambulance gonna come get him and this guy right here. Cause this guy is, and this is a shame that these people is out here on the ground like this.
Yeah, I know.
This is crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah.
That somebody staying here in that cold.
Yeah. It's like 11 degrees out here.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah.
You're staying here?
Yeah. Yeah, you see,
Hey.
I get him. The ambulance coming to get him.
Wait. No, the hands are good.
You good?
Yeah.
Yeah, but maybe one more hour, he no mas. Yeah, the ambulance coming to get them. Yeah. Mm-hmm. See, most people think that alcohol keeps you warm, but it really doesn't.
Yeah.
It doesn't. It don't keep you warm. It feels like it's keeping you warm, but then you start sweating and it causes hypothermia. These guys could be right here dying and nobody knows
Too
it.
cold, man.
Yeah, it's too cold.
Too cold, man.
Hey, buddy. Hey, let me keep him up. Hey, buddy, you got to stay up. You can't go to sleep. You go out, you might not wake up. Buddy.
No, the hand is good, man.
No, he's not good. It's not good. It's too cold.
Loco.
See, he got snow all over his leg. Stuff. All right. You ain't scaring me. Your ass going to the ambulance today.
Loco. ¿Estás bien?
Yeah.
Hand saying it's good, man.
I'm not listening to him.
Too cold, man.
Yeah. Hey, no house? He don't have a house?
Cool.
Him?
No,
I don't know.
No?
Wow.
I don't know, man.
Well, his ass going in the ambulance today. He ain't dying on me. I ain't gonna sit around and let it happen.
I think it's wrong. Okay.
Yeah,
I come in and take it
yeah,
leave the
yeah. And then he can go. Then he be in the hospital and get and drink water and eat some food and get warm. You know, for a few days. Cause they sober up for a few days.
Oh yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Oh wow.
Yeah. They coming now.
I don't know, man. Right now, I don't know what happened.
Yeah. I don't. Yeah. It's from the drinking.
Ah,
Mucho cerveza.
mucho cerveza, mucho alcohol.
Yeah. Look at. Oh, yeah, it's a lot. Bottles at the bottles at the bottles at the bottles, and they think they being warm from the alcohol, but it's nothing warm about this. It feels, you think you warm, but you actually sweating, and it's gonna cause hypothermia.
Yeah, mucho variation.
Yeah. I always try to stop by and help out whenever I can.
Vamos, weón.
Yeah, see?
Para que te tengas un poco de calor ahí en el...
Don't worry, buddy. You're going to be warm in a minute. Your ass going with the ambulance today.
Con la tienda, güey, no mames. Está frío.
Ando haciendo frío ahorita. Está saliendo de todo allá de puta.
Yeah. Hey, buddy. You okay? Hey, buddy. Hey. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Yeah, he gonna get some help. They coming. They gonna take both of their asses today.
Madre, estar aquí metido, güey.
This is really a shame.
Hey,
this is a
Bolero.
shame. Yeah.
Hey, Vamos, güey, nos vamos a meter un poco, un rato a la tienda.
Grande que llega, que lleva esa mujer.
They coming now.
Ahí come.
No, venga a la tienda, güey.
Grande que lleva.
Ahí vamos, güey. Fuga.
Grande que llega, que si ya el vato llamó que va a llevar, que no quiero ir allá, van a decir que yo estoy dando cosas la ¡no se asuste! ¡No te espante!
¿Cuándo va a conseguir eso, güey? Ya, güey. Ya, güey, ya. Me falta 4 días. ¿Cómo que para? ¿Para qué te metes en esos debes, güey?
¿Cómo llevaste, mae?
Por eso. Por un pequeñito de eso ya.
Te llevaron para sentir.
This the guy that keep, yeah, this the guy keeps shaking and trembling. And him, yes, both of them. No, he's shaking and trembling. Both of them need to go.
Hey, that guy is good.
No sleeping.
He's good now.
Yeah, yeah,
What's this guy's problem?
yeah. I keep trying to wake him up. Even